Hey guys, this is Rudy Banks. Welcome back to the channel. Hope all is well. Today I've got 20 tips that I curated from TikTok. Now I've been sharing a lot about TikTok because there's a lot of good information. I think you're going to enjoy this video, especially if you're trying to make some money today. And if you don't have the money to spearhead, some of your CPA offers and affiliate offers with paid traffic, this is a way you can make some money and actually have some budget to be able to invest back in your business. That's what it's all about. So I definitely challenge you to tune in. Check out some of these strategies. If you need additional support and assistance, I'll put the links to the channels that they came from, as well as you can go to cpaninja.pro, check out the course. I also help you guys with the private Facebook group, as well as coaching to help you guys make some money, help you get across the line. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace.
How to make at least $1,000 a month selling books. Step 1, go to scoutiq.co. Step 2, sign up for a free 14-day trial. Step 3, download the ScoutIQ app from the App Store. Step 4, click on Download Data in the left-hand corner. Step 5, click on Download Database up in the left-hand corner. Step 6, wait for the database to finish downloading. Step 7, once it's done downloading, click the Test Database up in the right-hand corner. Step 8, go to the main screen of the app and click on Scout in the middle. Step 9, scan the barcode of books that you own. Scan the barcodes of books that your mom owns. Scan the barcodes of books that your dad owns. Barcodes that are located on the back. And really just scan any books that you can find. Thrift stores, Goodwill, outlets, anywhere you can get books for cheap or free. Step 10 is to buy books that you can make money off of. This is red at the very top. This means you can't make money off this book. This book is a good book. You can buy this book here and make $16 estimated profit when you sell it on Amazon. However, if you buy it for $1, you're going to make $15 in profit estimated. Buy this book and other books like it, send it to Amazon, sell it, and make money. How to make $1,000 a month on TikTok. Step 1, go to Facebook and click this little arrow in the top right hand corner. Step 2, click on Manage Groups. Step 3 is to click on Create Group. Step 4 is to fill out the information to create your group. You're going to want to make a TikTok group similar to this, TikTok Growth Hacks. There are a bunch of different other Facebook groups. For TikTok, if you go type in TikTok up in the search on Facebook, click over here on groups, you'll see there are a bunch, just TikTok, TikTok Marketing Secrets, TikTok Growth Hacks, and more. Create a group similar to that. Next, you're going to create a sales page in something like ClickFunnels, and you're going to create a PDF and attach it to it. Next, you're going to take the link from that sales page and you're going to run it back to the Facebook group and add it in the description right here. Next, take the link from your Facebook group and add it to your Facebook profile. This is how that looks. Next, create awesome posts about how awesome TikTok is on your profile. This got 57 comments and 120 reactions. People then click your Facebook group link. People then join your group. People click your sales page link. People click to download your PDF. People put in their emails and you build an email list. Provide them with value and then upsell them on products. How to make $2,000 to $3,000 a month selling leads to plumbers. Plumbers aren't the only people that will pay for these leads, but it's a good example. The first step is to go to neilpatel.com/Uber suggest. When you go there, you're going to type in a keyword like Detroit plumbers to see if it's even viable for you to go ahead and start marketing these leads. In this example here, the term Detroit plumbers gets searched 720 times every month on average. Other related terms that get searched a lot in Google is plumbers in Detroit, Michigan, plumbers Detroit MI, plumbers in Detroit MI, plumbers in Detroit, plumbers Detroit, Michigan. This gives me a good idea that people are paying for leads. And if I search Detroit plumbers on Google, this also shows me that people definitely are paying for ads on Google to get leads for plumbing in Detroit. Step 2, buy a branded website, kind of like drainfit.com for $888 a year. Step 3 is to buy a plumbing WordPress theme and put it on your site. Step 4 is to rank your site on Google for Detroit plumbers and the other like terms by writing a bunch of content about plumbing in Detroit. Step 5 is capture leads on your site, sell them to plumbers. $30 a lead by 100 leads is $3,000. How to make an extra $1,000 a month selling sneakers from your bedroom. Step 1 is to go to StockX.com. Step 2 is to find a dope pair of sneakers and click on them. Step 3 is to highlight the name of those sneakers and then go over to eBay.com. Step 4 is to right click and paste that sneaker name into eBay.com and hit search. Step number 5 is to scroll down on the left hand side of eBay and click on sold items. Step number 6 is to find a pair that's selling for a relatively high profit. So these are at $320, where on StockX we could buy them for $254. One of the recent sales was $248. Step number 7, go back to StockX and buy these shoes. Step number 8, once we have bought these shoes, we're going to go back to eBay, and once we've received them, we're going to click on sell one like this. Step number 9 is to complete the listing, upload photos, and then click list item. If we sell these for $320, we got them for $254, we make $66 a pair. Repeat this 15 more times and you'll have $1,000 a month. How to make $1,000 a week in your underwear. Step 1 is to go to Facebook and create a free Facebook group around something you're super passionate about. It's really important that you're passionate about this thing, that way you don't get bored. It could be World of Warcraft, coffee, more World of Warcraft, more coffee, or even something like Fortnite. Let's say you want to create a group around Fortnite. There are tons of Fortnite groups right now, but tons of people join new Fortnite groups every single day. You can see that the very top has 105,000 members, the next has 321,000, following is 57,000, then 30,000, and so on. It just keeps going because new people join Fortnite every single day and the people just grow. Once you create your group, you can create rules where people have to either enter their email, join your Discord group, or even they get to see an offer to go check out that you can make some money off of. You can see this person used rogueenergy.com. They give you 30% off every time you use their code at checkout. Now, when somebody goes out and enters that code for that Rogue Energy drink, those people actually that own the community are making a commission. This is affiliate marketing. How to make $1,000 a week from your bedroom. Step 1, go to eflip.co. Step 2, sign up for a free 21-day free trial. Step 3 is to watch all the free training in the eFlip University up here at the top. Step 4 is to go to Outliers here in the main menu. Step 5 is to set this price max to 10. This one here minimum to 50. This one to 50 minimum. This one to a minimum of 100. This one to a minimum of 100. This one here to a max of 1 million. This one to a minimum of 16. Now we can see books that are selling used for $7. But you can turn around and sell it back on Amazon for $110 by shipping it into Amazon and selling it. To show you more of what I mean, this book, Childhood End, let's click on. Here we can see non-prime sellers selling at $345 plus shipping. If we click on Prime, these are people that actually ship into Amazon. We can say the minimum sales price is $70.
Here's a pro tip on how to make money on Amazon with 0 products. Head over to rebatekey.com, sign up as a buyer. You'll be able to browse products that are anywhere from 50 to 100% off. Copy the name, throw it into Amazon, sell it for $25.
How to easily make an extra $1,000 per month. Number 1, learn a skill in digital marketing like SEO. Number 2, find business owners that need help. Number 3, reach out to them and let them know about the SEO issues that their website has. Number 4, do an SEO audit and then get them on the phone to share your findings. Number 5, offer to do the SEO for them. And number 6, repeat this process over and over until you get a client.
Here's a pro tip on how to find exclusive products to drop ship before anybody else. You're going to want to go to ecomhunt.com and you're going to want to sign up. You'll have the option of choosing between a pro account and a regular account. Surf through the trending products and find one that you want to sell. Click on it and you'll see all the information you need to get started. Here's a pro tip on how to make big cash with storage units. If you haven't seen the show Storage Wars, make sure to check it out. All they do is go around from town to town looking for abandoned storage units for items inside that they can flip. But here I'm going to show you how you can do this without leaving your computer. Here we go. Step 1, go to storagetreasures.com. You're going to want to put in your zip code. Once you do, you're going to be able to see all the auctions that you can bid on for storage units in your local area. What's cool is that a lot of these come with pictures, so you'll be able to get a glimpse inside of what you can bid on. You're going to want to click on auctions that interest you. For instance, this storage unit's current bid is $10. What you're going to want to do is see if you can find items in there that you can possibly flip for more than the actual bid cost. For instance, there's 2 stereos here. There's a couple printers there, there's a computer back there, and there's a monitor right there. Here's another example. This one is going for $320. This one is filled with DVDs. Again, the idea is to find items that you can flip more for the current bid cost. Happy hunting. How to start a business online using Amazon. Download Helium 10 to find a product you want to sell. After you do, download X-Ray to see what all the other sellers are making per month. Go to Alibaba to see what you can buy it for in bulk. List it on Amazon for a higher price. Subscribe on YouTube for more.
Here's a quick rundown on 5 jobs that pay out $1 million per year. First on this list is affiliate marketing. Now there are plenty of examples of this from small to large, and this is one of the more corporate. So this is Wirecutter. It's a blog, reviews tech products, are owned by New York Times. They make millions of dollars per month. If you're not familiar, affiliate marketing, you're basically getting paid to promote other products. If you'd like to learn more about that, check out my YouTube channel, link in TikTok bio. Next on the list is Shopify dropshipping. One guy literally making $10,000 per day to have an e-commerce store where he doesn't even hold his own products. Next is being a digital marketing consultant, basically getting paid to help other businesses with their marketing. Oh, and quick side note, this is the easiest one by far. You can literally outsource all of the work. You don't need to know it. Next, you have a higher barrier to entry, so you're going to go through quickly. Real estate broker, and then an insurance agent. Again, if you'd like to learn how to make a full-time income online, check out my YouTube channel, link in TikTok bio.
Do you need a quick way to make some extra cash this holiday season? Listen up. Head over to sendearnings.com. They'll give you $5 just for signing up, and they'll pay you to send you samples or take surveys on their product. You won't get rich, but it's some extra cash.
Here's a simple way to make your first $1,000 online. And just to show you I'm not full of it, we have a whole bunch of people doing the same exact strategy, doing $50,000 and even $10,000 per month. So here's what you do. I'm sure you've seen these different kinds of Facebook ads in your feed about different kinds of products. So this one's selling a phone charger that gives you a long-lasting battery and it charges your phone faster. You can see that they have over 4,000 likes, 700 comments, over close to 6.5 million views, and they link out to a product to buy right from here, which is a very, very, very simple website just like this. Now, when we scroll down to their page, you can see that they're charging for one cable $25. They're doing a buy one, get one for $10, and then a buy two, get two free. Now, what they're doing is they're just drop shipping these exact cables from this very simple website from websites like AliExpress, where you can see you can get phone cables just the same that they're advertising for less than $1.
I'm not kidding, literally, if you wanted to. As soon as this video was over, if you downloaded this app, in a minute's time, you had a chance to win 10 to 20 bucks. It's brand new for Apple and Android, and people are going crazy. I don't know how much longer this is really going to be this easy. And before you make any assumptions, this is not some god-awful scam or survey site paying 10 cents for 5 minutes of your time. No, real prizes, real winnings. Now there is a catch. Because it's such a high payout, you need to make sure that you play the game Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for a chance to win. But seriously, $1,000 prize, $1,000 prize. It pays. I didn't have enough time to go over this here. The name of the app is Ready Games. If you would like to learn how to win these types of games, and there's more, there's a lot more than this. I made a video on YouTube, just upload it, step by step, breaks down how you really can earn PayPal money right this second playing games. YouTube channel link is in my TikTok bio. All you have to do is tap this little circle icon here, head to my TikTok bio, click that YouTube icon.
Use this method to get free products or heavily discounted products to resell or for personal use. Step 1, visit this website, or this one, or this one. Step 2, make sure you join as a shopper and not a seller. So these websites are made up of Amazon sellers who are giving away their products at a really big discount or free in return for positive reviews. Some of them may not even require a review. They do this because they believe it helps their listings on Amazon rank higher in the search engine. So step 3 is to click on any listing, then click request item. There's 5 more websites just like this that you can use, and I just created the full tutorial and uploaded it to YouTube. Just touch my face and subscribe on YouTube if you'd like to learn more.
How to make $1,000 from your couch every day. First, go to Craigslist.com. Next, go to the free section and click on it. Find a couch in good condition. Download the image. Go to the Facebook Marketplace and click Sell Something. Add what the product is, the price you want to sell it for, and the picture you downloaded. Then click Post. Learn more tips how to make money from your couch following Austin Galperberg below.
Here's how to make $200 per month as a mystery shopper in your spare time. Name of the app is GigWalk, 5,400 positive reviews. You're getting paid to go into stores, sometimes take pictures of the products, sometimes to buy them, but it's quick work and you're getting paid a good amount. For more tips like this, check out my YouTube channel.
Make $10 every time you test a website or app. Visit Try My UI. Click Get Paid to Test. Create an account and put in your PayPal email address. How it works. There's companies that want your honest opinion on their websites and apps. They'll send you a link, you click on it, and go review their product. Then they pay you through PayPal. If you enjoy this type of content and you'd like to learn more, click my face and subscribe on YouTube.
College? That shit's a scam. I'm 21 years old. This is my penthouse. I make 6 figures a year working from my bedroom. If you want to learn how I do it, watch the rest of this video. If you want to waste a bunch of money, stop watching, scroll through it, and go to college. Step 1, start an e-commerce business. That's a website where you sell other people's products and make money on it. For example, I sell a $5 t-shirt for $30 and make $25 when I sell it to somebody else. Step 2, get really good at it, build multiple stores, and then get paid to teach other people how to do it. See, not only have I built 2 six-figure businesses, but I've also helped over 250 students make over 6 figures themselves. So I can help you make a lot of money too. So not only do I make money off of my own websites, but I make money teaching people how to build their own websites. And then businesses pay me every single month to run ads for them. And I do it all from my penthouse where I have parties and have the great time. So if you want to learn how to make incredible money from your bedroom without having to go to college and waste thousands of dollars for no reason, shoot me a DM, follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
Hold up, wait 1 minute. You stayed till the end. I appreciate you. Thanks for subscribing. And YouTube is recommending you watch one of these 2 videos here. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in another episode. Peace.